Hey guys, this is gonna be the 100% honest review of the new Benelli Imperiale 400 on Motologger Seed YouTube channel. This kind of motorcycles are called modern classics and it has an additional Italian touch which is nice. Okay, so let's ride Benelli Imperiale. On board, this motorcycle feels retro thanks to dual analog style speedometer, and it also has LCD unit in the middle for additional info. This bike has leg guard installed on it and it touches my feet, so it's gonna take a little bit to get used to. Let's take it on highway. Turning radius is small though, which is a good thing. So I'm going to accelerate this with wide open throttle. And god, this motorcycle is quick. It has nice bottom and torque. Being a single cylinder, it is a quick motorcycle, but vibrations are less compared to my Royal Enfield Classic 500. So Benelli feels a little bit premium here. Speedometer showing 0 speed because it is a test ride vehicle. Gear shifting is little hard like Royal Enfield because it is a locally assembled motorcycle, but it is not bad. This motorcycle is so enjoyable, no doubt in that, and it is best suitable for city riding, commuting with style with a half face helmet and leather jacket from cafe to cafe. This motorcycle feels perfect. And for once in a while you can go little long distance of 300 km single journey. But even further, this motorcycle feels comfortable. Cushioning of seats is so great on this motorcycle. Top speed of this is little bit more than 100 km per hour, so you're gonna fall behind in a group of similar capacity motorcycles from other manufacturers like Bajaj and KTM. But who actually cares? Some people complains that, but this motorcycle is not built for speed. It is built for commuting with style, just like I explained. If you have budget of 2.4 lakh and want a cool motorcycle for commuting and daily usage and want to stand out from the crowd of Royal Enfields, this motorcycle is perfect for you. My big thumbs up for Benelli Imperiale 400. I don't have any major issue with this motorcycle, especially when I got to know that maintenance of this is also lower than other Benelli models. My opinion, you should buy this motorcycle at this price point. If you new to this channel, hit the like button and do subscribe. If you are already subscriber, make sure you tap that bell because coming up next Java Perak Bobber.